today, love the person you're caring for. Now, I've spoken before in previous videos about having a loving touch and loving words, but I'm talking about having a loving heart. Truly put love into everything you do for them. If you're making their food, put love into the food. If you're bringing them to bed, put love and care into taking them to bed. Sometimes we're so caught up in the routine of everything, we have to rush, we have to get the food done, we have to give them a shower, that we forget to really slow down and put our love into it. I believe great doctors, great teachers, great caregivers, business owners are great because they love the people they serve. When I was growing up, it was the teachers who loved their students who had the most impact on my life. With companies, those who truly love their customers and their employees have customers that continue to return again and again. Physicians who truly care about their patients really go above and beyond the call of duty. They listen carefully to us and help us get well again. Now, the same with therapists, what we call wellness coaches. We don't want a burnt-out wellness coach. We don't want one who doesn't like people. We want the one that really loves people and wants to get us healthy again. When I go to assisted living facilities or hospitals, it's obvious who loves the people they're caring for. So just for today, put love, love, love into the person you're caring for. Open up your heart and put love into everything you're doing for them. And then, at the end of the day, put that love on you. Take a nice warm shower or hot bath, bask in that moment, and say, "Well done.